Let's take a look at these two examples. In the first problem, we have operations, multiplication, division, and addition. You're supposed to keep in mind that operations like multiplication and division are equally important. What I mean by that? We're supposed to perform them from left side to right. So what I have over here? I have 5 times 7 is equal 35. Okay, I'm doing everything step by step. Divide by 5 plus 5. Next, I'm supposed to perform the division. 35 divided by 5 is 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is equal 12. Okay, and this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the next example. We have operations positive, negative, and division. We're supposed to perform division first. Let's copy down every number which we're not going to use. So I have 2 plus 8 minus, and I'm supposed to perform division. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal 4. Equals. Next, I have addition and subtraction. You're supposed to keep in mind that addition and subtraction are equally important. So if you want to solve this problem, you're supposed to perform the operations from left to right. So I have 2 plus 8 is equal 10. I'm doing everything step by step. Minus, I copy down 4, equals 10 minus 4 is equal 6. And this is the solution to my problem.